Hi, welcome to a Qrvey tutorial video. My name is Natan Cohen and I'm the head of customer success here at Qrvey. And in this video, we're going to learn how to take advantage of Qrvey's map charts by building geolocation groups. That's something that you build at the dataset level. So I'm going to go into my address dataset here, and I can build a geolocation group simply by clicking geolocations. And this is what you have to do in order to take advantage of map charts. Okay, you can have more than one geolocation group, and typically you'll have more than one if you have different sets of coordinates or addresses that point to different types of locations. All right, so what do I mean? You don't need different geolocation groups to have one at the country level, one at the state or province level, and then one at the city level. Qrvey provides a way to drill down on the map chart itself to different levels of granularity. So you only need more than one geolocation group if you have more than one type of location. For example, you have customer locations, you have supplier locations, you have employee locations, and all of that data happens to be in the same data set. That's when you need more than one geolocation group. Okay, so I'm just going to create one geolocation group, and I'm going to call this customer location. Okay, and the first thing that I need to decide is, do I actually have geographical coordinates, or do I need to use places and addresses to build those coordinates? Qrvey uses AWS location services for its mapping solution, and if you have a column for longitudinal coordinates and a column for latitudinal coordinates, right, you're good to go. You can just map those columns. If you do have those columns, they should be numeric columns with at least 6 or 7 decimal points of precision in order to make sure that those coordinates are preserved. Most folks don't have that type of data in their data set, and that's fine, in which case you can start mapping different fields of the data set to create the geolocation group. You don't need all of them. So for example, I don't have country, but I do have city. So I'm going to go ahead and map that. I do have postal code. Between city and postal code, it should be able to figure out what the country is. Okay. I also have an address line, so I can go ahead and map that. And then I can create the geolocation group. Okay. When you do that, any fields in the data set that were used to create the geolocation group are marked with that map marker icon here. And then of course, if they are used for a geolocation group, you won't be able to remove that column from the chart builder, obviously, because we need it now. So remember to apply changes once you add a geolocation group. This type of change does not trigger any kind of a load. You don't need to worry about that. So you can always load a data set and then add your geolocation groups later. But now that I have a geolocation group, I can start building charts. And if I go to my map charts, of course we have 3 types of map charts. I can start with a dot map. And now that I have a geolocation group, I can drag that over and start to use it. Okay. And remember how I said that you don't need to add more geolocation groups to have different levels of granularity? So you'll notice that I can pop out at the city level, the postal code level, or the address line level, and it will update the map accordingly. So now I'm ready to go with Qrvey map charts. Thanks so much for watching.